How to add filters in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the clip you want to apply the filter to from the timeline at the bottom. After that, look to the right panel where you'll find the notes section. Right-click inside this area and choose Add Serial to create a new node for your filter. Now, go to the FX Effects panel on the right side of the screen. Here you'll see a list of effects and filters you can use. Scroll through or search for the filter you want, like glow, film grain, or vignette. Once you find the filter, drag and drop it onto the node you just created. You can adjust the filter settings in the panel below Open FX to get the exact look you want by tweaking sliders such as intensity, radius, color, and more. If you want to apply multiple filters, just add more nodes and repeat the process on each node to keep your adjustment organized. Finally, review your clip to see how the filters look in real time and make any necessary changes. And that's it. Now you know how to add filters in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.